Curioso. At may bibigay na brown si Ivan Turake. Corella, Mayo, Forza Taisyo. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Number 10. Foul, Sinaglo. That is fourth personal foul. Penalty. Tulungan Villosillo on the move. Slash at the middle. Kamatang tila. Baspano. Nakamala.
And here's Sinayo, 2 points. Number 49.
Wala, Baspano. 2 points lamang to. Uy, Bago! Ito oras pa! Villosillo! Bago!
Here's Villosillo. Out of ball. Here's his number 88. Naked. Rebound by jersey number 11.
Rioso. Good job. Sinalo. Nakatakan ng bola. Loose ball. Natampok niya ng Soka. Pass. Air ball. Pass to play. On the move. Villosillo steps on the gas. Behind the back. Passing to Noon. Pero si Sinalo. Naagawan. Ito was Sinalo. For a rebound. Takbuhan ng kapatid. At ang pasa. Sobrang lakas. Hard string. Ito was si Sinalo. Ginagawa ng hard advantage. Kamatang tila. Wala pa rin. Push back. Wala pa rin. For the third time. Hindi lang. Straight play. Nakita siya yung Libersa. There's not too strong. Holding by Fred Gahit. Here comes Fred. Kajok. Baseline. Back to back. Shot. Right to the line. Rebound. Go. Back row. Black. Back row on the ball. Lupay. Sinalo. By Fred Gahit. Sokat. Pasok play. Right off. 3 minutes.